Another excellent tool to leverage would be model portfolios. These are pre-built collections of stocks focused around particular investment strategies, goals, or risk levels. It's a great way to get insight into real-world applications of these kinds of strategies, as well as getting specific stock-level ideas. It can help you understand the techniques associated with different strategies, as well as getting a time-tested view of the outcomes. Two of GuruFocus's most popular model portfolios include the most broadly held portfolio and the top 25 GF score portfolio. The most broadly held portfolio is created by analyzing the holdings of the most successful institutional investors in the world, and then creating a portfolio based off of the most broadly held stocks between those investors. By just skimming the holdings of this current portfolio, you're able to find opportunities that have been vetted by some of the best investors in the world. The top 25 GF score portfolio, as the name implies, builds a portfolio based off of the 25 companies with the highest GF score for each given year. That way, with a single click, you can instantly get a short list of candidates with high degrees of outperformance potential. And not just that, but you can see historically how stocks with those high GF scores have performed relative to the overall market. Simply select the Tools category on GuruFocus.com, then click on Model Portfolios to choose from a list of different model portfolios focusing on different investing principles.